Welcome students to Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be universities, Center for Distance and Online Education. In this video, we are going to see the registration process of NDLI and NDLI Club. First, let's see what is NDLI. National Digital Library of India, NDLI, is a virtual repository of learning resources, which is not just a repository with search or browse facilities, but provides a host of services for the learner community. It is sponsored and mentored by Ministry of Education, Government of India, through its National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, NMEICT. Filtered and federated searching is employed to facilitate focused searching so that learners can find the right resource with least effort and in minimum time. It is built to provide support for all academic levels, including researchers and lifelong learners from all disciplines, all popular forms of access, devices, and differently abled learners. It is designed to enable people to learn and prepare from best practices from all over the world and to facilitate researchers to perform interlinked exploration from multiple sources. It is developed, operated, and maintained from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharghar. All the students in the Center for Distance and Online Education, Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune, are informed that your college has been registered in the National Digital Library of Information. Therefore, all of you must register for the NDLI and NDLI Club. To summarize in short, what is NDLI? Is one of the largest digital repositories of the world. It is designed and developed by IIT Kharagpur. It is a 24/7 enabled digital library. It is a single window search facility. It covers all academic levels from KG to PG and all disciplines. It hosts multimedia contents like texts, videos, audios, images, animations, etc. It has multi-language user interface currently available in Hindi, Bangla, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Kannada, Odia, Telugu, Malayalam, and Assamese. To know about the benefits for the students, it enhances knowledge, skills, personality traits, and leadership qualities. Every participant will get a certificate of participation by joining an event. Students also get reward points. Some events will also allocate reward points to students. Participants earn reward points from activities by uploading the outcome to the club portal. Event reviewer and reward points will check uploaded outcomes like essays and stories will be allocated. It gives access to massive academic resources in NDLI. Now, let's go to the registration process of NDLI. Now, let's see the registration process for NDLI. So, you can go to Google search. In Google search, you have to type NDLI. The first option which comes here is National Digital Library of India. Click on it. And this is how the portal of NDLI looks like. Now we need to go to the registration process. For that, click on Login. Since we are the new user and we need to register for the first time, click on Registration. Here, you will be asked multiple details to do the registration. So let's start with it. Let's give our full name. The email address which we want to register with. We will have to set a password for it. Confirm the password once again. The date of birth. Yes. Select the right gender. Select the state from which you belong to. City you are residing in. Your educational role, like whatever the course you're opting for. The preferable language, let's say English. The institute name from where you're going to pursue your course. Now, write captcha. Click on the disclaimer and just say sign in. Yes, now our registration process is complete. We have received an email that we have successfully registered for NDLI. A verification link has been sent to your email. Please verify your account to log in. Let's say OK. So now I just now checked and we did receive the verification email and our account is verified. So now you can log into your NDLI. Now we have registered successfully to NDLI. So let's see how to log in. So this is the portal of NDLI. At the right extreme, you can see login. So we have done the verification of the email. Type the same verified email here. Enter the password which we have set earlier. Enter the displayed text. And press on login. Yes. See. At the right extreme, you can see your account has been created and you have successfully logged in. So now what is the use of National Digital Library of India? If you see on the screen itself, you can see multiple contents like test preparation material, like UGC NET, GATE, IIT JEEE, study at home materials related to different domains, research repositories like journals and papers and documents, featured collections. So if I click here on law and management, since you are management student, I assume, you can see video lecture, questions and solution, books, notes under the management section. You can click on any of it, whatever content, whatever study material you want to refer to. And this is the benefit of NDLI. There is an app also of NDLI available at Play Store and App Store for your convenience. Now let's see what is NDLI Club and how to register for the NDLI. NDLI clubs are set up in institutes and nodal bodies, and these clubs conduct events to facilitate students to develop knowledge, skill, and traits beyond regular curriculum, which are essential for their progression in respective professional domain. Students can be a member of NDLI Club and make the most of it by participating in different events and get rewards. So we have shared the NDLI passkey with all the students through the notice which will be required while generating the NDLI Club membership. Now let's see how to register for the NDLI Club. Go to Google, type NDLI Club and click on it. You will be directed to NDLI Club. Now, after typing NDLI Club, you will get to this portal. you have to click on Member Registration. After clicking on it, you will be asked to sign up. Here you will have to enter the passkey which we have already shared with you through the notice. Just paste that passkey here and press enter. If it is a valid passkey, you will receive a message saying passkey validated successfully. Now enter your email ID which you want to use as the registered email ID. Enter the first name. So what it's saying is, thank you for applying the club. Please confirm your email address by signing the link in the email they have sent. So you must have received a confirmation email on your mailbox. Just click on it and verify the same. Yes. Now click on sign in here. You have to enter the same email ID. And the password which we have set earlier. And click on sign in. So here you are at the NDLI Club. You have successfully registered to the NDLI Club as a member. If you see at the left, your account has been created, and at the bottom you can see your Center for Distance and Online Education, Bharati Vidyapeeth. So whatever events are there for you, you would be seeing them on the screen, as well as if you want to participate in those events, you have to click on Events. The active events would be reflected on the screen. You have to click on the event you want to participate. Once you click on that event, the description about the event is on the screen. You will have to click on the Check Eligibility tab. There you would get a message that you are eligible to participate in this event. So now, since you are eligible, you can click on Participate button. Yes, now you got a message that thank you for submitting the application. You have requested for the participation and it got approved also. So that is how students can register themselves to participate in specific events arranged for them. We recommend students to make maximum or to utilize these opportunity to participate in such events. For any further information, you can visit the Bharati Vidyapeeth University website as well as Bharati Vidyapeeth's online and distance website for any more information related to NDLI and NDLI Club. Thank you so much.